In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to the Mindbody app. If you're looking to improve your business's visibility on the Mindbody platform, this is an essential step. By ensuring your website link is prominently displayed, you make it easy for clients to visit your website directly from your Mindbody app profile or web listing. Let's dive into the process. First things first, you need to log into your Mindbody business account. Head over to business.mindbodyonline.com and enter your credentials. Remember, you'll need to be logged in with either an owner or admin account. This ensures you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your business profile. Once logged in, navigate to the Manager Tools or Settings option from the top menu. The exact wording may vary depending on your version of the platform, but both options will lead you to the area where you can make adjustments to your business information. Now choose Business Information. Again, this might appear as Business Profile or Business Details, depending on your account setup. After accessing your business information, scroll down to the Contact Information section. This is where the details about your business's communication touchpoints are stored. Here you're looking for the field labeled Website URL or just Website. This is where you'll add the link to your website. To ensure your link is functional, paste the full URL beginning with https://. An example would be entering something like https www.yourfitnessstudio.com. Ensuring the link is complete like this helps maintain a professional and seamless experience for your clients as they transition from the Mindbody platform to your website. After entering your website link, it's crucial to save your changes. Locate the Save or Update Information button, typically at the bottom of the page, and give it a click. This step confirms that your inputs have been received by the system. Once saved, your website link will appear on your Mindbody app profile and your web listing. If you've enabled it, the link will also be accessible on client booking pages, providing multiple avenues for clients to learn more about your business and services. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully enhanced your Mindbody business profile with a direct link to your website. This small but significant addition can help attract more clients by providing them with quick and easy access to more information about your offerings. Remember, keeping your business profile updated ensures your clients have the best information available. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check back for more tips on maximizing your Mindbody experience.